Welcome back my YouTube channel CoinsEF. Before we begin, take 1 second to support the channel. Subscribe now. Turn on the bell and stay connected because what you are about to hear today can completely change the way you look at the small coins lying quietly in your home. Imagine this moment that the man in his late 50s opens an old wooden drawer that hasn't been touched for decades. Inside are letters, memories, and a few forgotten coins. Among them is a simple brown-colored penny dated 1985. No gold scene, no silver glow, just a quiet coin. But what if I tell you that this exact type of coin has shocked collectors, stunned auction houses, and rewritten personal destinies? Today, we are talking about the 1985 Lincoln 1-cent coin, a coin many people spent without thinking, yet a coin that has become a symbol of hidden wealth, patience, and timing. This story is especially for those viewers aged 55 to 65 and above, men who understand history, value, and the importance of experience over noise. This coin carries the face of Abraham Lincoln, a man whose life was built on struggle, honesty, and endurance, qualities that deeply connect with collectors who have lived long enough to recognize real worth. The 1985 Lincoln cent was minted during a period when America was transitioning economically, socially, and technologically. Pennies from this era were produced in huge numbers, but within those millions, a tiny fraction emerged with unusual characteristics that turned them into legends. Most people think rarity only means low mintage. That is a mistake. True rarity is born from errors, precision flaws, metal composition changes, dye varieties, and conditioned survival over time. The 1985 penny sits right at the center of this reality. This coin was struck primarily in zinc with a copper coating, a change that had already caused many quality issues at U.S. mints. The thin copper layer made these coins extremely sensitive to pressure, alignment, and dye wear. As a result, several extraordinary varieties were born coins that were never supposed to exist. Some 1985 Lincoln cents show dramatic doubling in Lincoln's eye, beard, or inscriptions. Others display off-center strikes, clipped planchets, weak copper plating, or rare transitional characteristics. These are not small differences, these are mistakes that collectors dream of finding. But here's where it gets serious. Condition is king. A 1985 Lincoln cent that survived nearly 4 decades without corrosion, scratches, or wear, preserved in a near-perfect state, becomes something entirely different. High-grade specimens graded MS 67, MS 68, and above are not just coins, they are investment-grade artifacts. Older collectors understand this better than anyone. You've seen markets rise and fall. You know that true value doesn't scream, it waits. That is exactly what this coin has done. Behind closed doors, elite collectors quietly compete for top-grade Lincoln cents. These are men who don't rush. They study population reports, auction histories, and die diagnostics. When a rare 1985 cent surfaces with the right characteristics, the room goes silent because everyone knows what comes next. Stories exist of families discovering such a coin in inherited collections. A coin once tossed into a jar suddenly becomes the centerpiece of professional evaluation. The shock is not just financial, it is emotional. Because no one expects a penny to hold life-changing power, this coin connects generations. A father who saved coins during working years. A son who almost spent them. A grandson who finally realized their worth. That is why this coin resonates deeply with mature audiences. It is not hype, it is legacy. Collectors over 55 appreciate coins not just as metal, but as time capsules. The 1985 Lincoln cent captures the final decades of traditional U.S. cent production before mass automation reduced craftsmanship consistency. That makes certain examples irreplaceable. Another factor many overlook is dye life fatigue. Late-stage dyes used in 1985 created unique flow lines, distortions, and strike anomalies. When authenticated, these features dramatically raise desirability. Not every collector understands this, but serious ones do. And let's be clear about something important. Not every 1985 penny is valuable, but the right one, with the right characteristics in the right condition, becomes a different creature altogether. This is why experienced men succeed in this hobby. You don't chase rumors. You examine facts. You take your time. You respect process. Over the years, demand for rare Lincoln cents has increased, especially among collectors who prefer tangible assets over volatile trends. Coins do not disappear overnight. Their value is built slowly, just like trust. Some collectors keep these coins locked away, not for resale, but as a symbol of patience. Others see them as a strategic financial hedge. Either way, the 1985 Lincoln 1 cent has crossed a line from spare change to serious discussion. Imagine holding a coin that survived millions of siblings being destroyed, spent, or damaged. Imagine that coin being among the few that remained untouched, perfectly struck, mysteriously flawed in all the right ways. That is the magic. For many men in their later years, collecting is not about gambling, it's about recognition. Recognizing value where others saw nothing. This coin rewards that mindset that as years pass, supply only shrinks. Demand quietly grows. And those who already hold exceptional examples find themselves in an increasingly powerful position. This is not a fantasy. This is how numismatic history repeats itself. Coins once ignored become headlines decades later. The 1985 Lincoln cent is walking that path. If you have old jars, drawers, boxes, or inherited collections, this coin deserves respect. It deserves attention. Because sometimes the smallest things carry the biggest surprises. And now, as promised, listen carefully because this is the moment many wait for. The 1985 Lincoln 1 cent coin, in its rarest verified forms and top professional condition, has been associated with valuations reaching $5, 01, 01, 1100. Yes, a coin once worth 1 cent. Now spoken of in million-dollar conversations. That if this story opened your eyes, stay with the channel. More hidden truths, more forgotten treasures, and more powerful stories are coming, made for those who understand real value.